Hey guys, good day to you. In today's videos, I want to share with you. In the previous video, we have this video click without any adjusting the speed up function in the Canva currently now. So what can I do we can download this video without any background music or have any music. It doesn't matter. We just click this purple color, the column here. We know this one we want, and then we just come to share to download whatever the page we want. So for example, I untick those I don't want, click the page number 3 is what I want, becoming MP4, click done. Once I click done, I have saved this video to my computer, then coming to the online video cutter. So he will bring you this interface. Click open file, click the video you want to upload, then we will see this interface like this. Then now you come to choose this one, change speed. Then you will see the bottom part have a small rabbit. So now we can change, or we speed up, maybe the maximum is about 4 times 4. So if you want 2 times the speeder, is up to you. So I choose number 4 and then click save. Uploading 100%, just waiting for a while. Encoding, okay, speed up. Now once it's done, I just click save. So once again, we come back this original one, we delete it. Then we upload the file. Just now we done it. After finish, we click the video, right click this video, set as a background. Then don't forget, we have to adjust this purple color, the background music, same with the length same with the video. Then this all the result will be completely. So now we can come and download the final result to take a look. Then we see the result. So the speed up result is quite good for me. So I hope you today enjoy this video. Please give me a like and share this video to your friends. See you next video soon. Bye bye.